You want me to be honest with you? I did not know Nikon made power supplies. So this looks like a power supply this customer brought in today. It's called a... Wow, why are we backwards? Why are we upside down? There you go. It's a Coolscan 5 digital ice from Nikon. Not sure what it's about. He kind of took it apart for me a little bit. Seemed like a cool guy. Yeah. So here's the rest of the part. So it goes in there once we're all done. Let's get cooking. And he gave me the part. I hope it works. I mean, I have no idea really. But he seemed pretty confident. Goes right there. So got to take off this little shield. And look through it from the back. See where it's connected. Put some low melt solder on there. And desolder off the board. Yeah, it's got to figure out which one exactly it goes to. Whoa. Yeah. So I can put low melt on everything. Could use a little flux there, why not? Because flux makes solder flow. Careful of those other components. Flux makes solder flow. Nah, I don't care about those. Alright, I got my main 3 out. 5. Got my main 5. I was thinking 3, because I was thinking of the 3 horsemen. And I'm thinking, that's 5 right there. You're not counting right. Do your job right. Come on, man. You know, technically I could put this one upside down. Oh wait, no I can't. No I can't. Here. Here's what I think I discovered. The shield that was on here was so this wouldn't be pushed. That's what I think I figured out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna solder those on. Do I hope it works? Yes, but do I believe it'll work? 50-50. 50-50. It's like in that one movie, what's it called? War Dogs or something? With Jonah Hill and actually I don't know that our actor's name. There's no Jonah Hill, and you know, they go and sell weapons in the Middle East. It's like, so what's the chance we're gonna get caught? 50-50. It's like 50-50. Dude. I mean, they made so much money, but is it really worth your life? I mean, it'd be cool if you lived, yeah, but I don't think it's worth my life risk. Could have got shot. Nice. Right, it works. Maybe. Maybe. I don't really know. I want to get that capacitor. good. Clean that up a little bit too. From what came out from the other side. What if it needs that? I keep thinking. Well, I can add a wire. Because if that part's supposed to connect, I don't want to ruin it from not connecting. Yeah, I'm just gonna run a jumper wire. Trying to put more leaded than unleaded. I didn't really clean it right, but okay, that's good enough for me. Remember, I used to have a coworker. He used to be like, "Have you seen Jungle to Jungle?" This was like 10 years ago. I'm like, dude, you mean the movie that came out in 1998? He's like, yeah, it's awesome. I'm like thinking, I forgot all about it. That movie sucked. That movie sucked. It's not it was not part of the one of the better Disney movies of Tim Allen or whatever, you know. Hey, those dudes made. It wasn't the better version. Or whatever they made back in that time. What did they make, like no, that was Aladdin, was like 94. 98 was what? Mulan? Yeah, probably Mulan. Crap. Yeah. That was, or like Pocahontas. No, Pocahontas was 96, I think, or 97. I used to love The Hunchback of Notre Dame. I used to think that movie, when I was a kid, was so stupid. I used to think that movie was so great. It's too great to go on video. It's too good to go on video. Why did I think that? I have no idea. Alright, well. Let's see the finished product. Here we go. There it is. There's my jumper I made. Just because it was one of these shields, and I don't know if they have to match or something, or you know, want to be better safe than sorry. So I don't know. I have no idea if it's working or not. Thanks everybody for watching. And as always, take care of yourself, take care of each other. Like, share, and subscribe. Have a good night. Bye-bye. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. I like comments. Negative comments, good comments, all comments. Say, oh, you're old. Ah, you're ugly. Say it. I want to hear it. And respond to it. Be like, yeah, but I'm not the only one. Well, why am I still talking? Oh. Oh, wait. I'm still recording? Go home. What? Are you kidding me? They're still watching? Movie's over. Movie's over. Movie's over. You're still here? What's going on? Go home. Go. Movie's over. Just cleaning up here. Gotta be my own janitor. Go home. Go do, home things. Go pay your bills and, I don't know. What's some other boring house stuff? Go do your laundry and clean your toilet. Go do it. Go do that stuff that you said you were gonna do, like, for a million years, and you never did. Go do that. Seriously, go do that. 'Cause that stuff has been, you know, I mean, you had your chance with the corona and happening to do your things that you were never gonna do, and you had to finally do it, yeah. And then you still didn't do it? Like, seriously. Right now. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. Just go do it. Just go do it. Seriously. I'm not joking. Just go do it. Go do it. Go. Go home. Leave me in peace. Go, like, you know, put that, like, plastic on your couch. Or, take your dog to the vet. Just haven't been doing it. Go take your dog to the vet, make some bad choices. I mean, make some good choices. Yeah, go Go do something productive. Go read a book. Read an actual book, like a book with paper, not that Kindle crap. Go read a book. Yeah. Go go do something. Make your make a birthday card for someone, or a Christmas card. Say thank you. Thank you for Christmas, even though Christmas was like almost 3 months ago. Just say thanks for Christmas to whoever gave you whatever. Just go do it. Go do it. Go now. Or you'll never go. All right. I'm gonna hold you to it. I know who you are.